Hey, welcome back to the Handlebar
Hey,
Garden.
what's up?
Today I'm going to change the headlight. What I have right now, I've took the halogen bulbs out and I've just put the LED bulbs in the stock housing.
There's a video on that.
I don't know if we done this one or not. I know we done Fury.
Did we not?
I think we did.
I don't know. Anyway,
Anyway,
you know what we got.
And the LEDs, they tend to kill your radio if you got a radio on your bike. Just pretty good bright light. That's dim. You hear the radio. Which inside this building you don't have a whole lot of reception anyway.
But we're in a metal encasing building, and it is a doomsday device.
Yep, doomsday. First thing is cover up your fender.
Believe it or not, you will drop something.
Yep. And
where'd you get that scratch at? I changed my headlight. Yeah, no point in that. He's got it right here, people.
This is it came from Z Off Road, so they're not sponsoring us or nothing. I actually had to buy this. And of course, the instructions, first thing it says is to unhook your battery. Or you can pull the fuse out. That should kill all of it anyway.
Yep.
But then it's got the instructions with it. It comes with different attachments. There's the headlight itself. Now this one is supposed to be like 4,800 lumen. It goes the other way.
Yeah. I was showing the back of it.
And most of the ones I've looked at, even the expensive $200 and $300 headlights, are just barely 4,000 lumen.
Got pretty good.
And you've got, depending on what type of bike you have different attachments here. Pretty sure this is the one I'm going to need because I've got the high and the low bulb.
That's yet to be determined.
But we're fixing to get into it right now. So
although we've changed this before.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. So, we'll get on that. Right there. Throw it. This little beauty ring, first thing that has to be removed.
Yep.
And we ain't right there, little Phillips head screwdriver, and I'll take that beauty ring off.
And hopefully this fits right in and we don't have to do any kind of modifications.
I changed one of these one time on a, on my old Ultra Classic. And there was modifications. There was another piece I didn't have. And I decided to pull that encasing out and got some clips, and I made my own.
In case anybody's wondering, this is a 2020 Street Light Special.
How'd you like that power tool right there? There's a screw. Handiest thing in the world if you've never owned one or got any. You see that? It's got a magnet. And then, that must be an aluminum screw. Who would have thought that?
It is. Huh. How it keeps weight down.
Yeah, that would matter, huh? Wow. But anyway, these little things right here, if you don't have any, I've got several of them laying around.
Yeah, from the looks of it, we'll just take this whole ring out.
Yep. Take this ring out. Looks like Phillips hit.
No, those are going to be Torx.
No, it's Phillips. Torx is what goes to this.
No, we'll have to take that whole ring out.
Yep. Well, I think we're going to take the headlight out first, which is here, Phillips, and here. And then I'll bring the headlight out. And then this casing we'll take out next.
may cut this out so I don't have to be bored by sitting here watching us take screws out.
Then again, because you said that, I'll probably leave it in there. So that one there, that's a metal screw there. You know, I think there's one more.
Yep, there should
Burn
be
the
one.
top. If I remember correctly, we had the awfulest time there was. We'll put this back together, lining everything up. If I remember, I can't. See, that's been a long time ago.
It's been 2 years.
2 years, yep. So there's this ring.
Yep, and to get those.
And
Was that squeeze in?
that's what it looks like to me.
Nope, I think it's squeeze back here in the back.
Yep.
And it's labeled your high and low beam.
Yep.
And that.
Low and high over there.
Now, so this is the stock housing. These are LEDs. I think I got them from Amazon. It was like $20 a piece. How those come out of there?
Now, what I was saying a while ago on the
That's how they come out.
they fall out.
Now, you can just get these and change them. I'll say they're about $20 a piece.
They're doing a good job.
Yeah, I mean the whole time I've had the bike, and I've got a little over 15,000 miles on it. This is what I've had on it, and they've been good. I just wanted to do something a little different. Supposedly, this new headlight is not supposed to interfere with the radio. I find it hard to believe because it's LED.
Yeah. On the some of the old styles, and yours might be too. This is all encased in here. It's like a big bowl.
Yeah.
And when I ordered mine, I didn't order this outer piece here. So because things changed. So what I done at that point is I just cut out what I didn't need and throw it away. But in this case, we're not gonna have to do that.
No.
That ring there looks just like this one. So if it don't look like it, it's very similar. So I've noticed this place right here. They even got a black screw.
Where's that?
Right there. They even give you a black screw. The one that's not magnetized, I wonder if it is. Or not magnetized, it's not metal. So
Yep, it's a metal screw.
yeah. So that's basically the way it's gonna go in there, just like that.
And looks like all the holes are gonna
Yep.
match up.
And see, what I'm thinking about is this black ring that comes with this one. I think we're gonna take it off and we're gonna put the old one on there. That way we got original. I don't think we'll go for that, but anyway. Now all we gotta do is take
So
this
we're gonna
off.
start adding chrome to a
Yeah.
special.
So we need a Torx bit, and we'll get that off. I think it's Torx.
Yeah.
Mike's gonna tell me what size it is.
I think what a 25 is about the common. See if I'm right.
Hell no. You ain't had these long. They don't have no size chart on them. Never done. Never noticed that before.
Nothing on the holder.
Nope. It don't say. But Mike's holding in his hand the one that fits it. So
Yep. That's it. So we'll let you know down in the comments what size torque bit it actually is.
yeah, that's odd. I got this.
That's not magnetized either.
I'm gonna tell you real quick what it is. This right here, ain't it? No. There it is. It is a 25. 25.
I've noticed that's most common.
I should have handed him this. It would have been probably, I don't know. We don't know what's better. We just kind of do things on the whim around here, right?
Yep.
Always have. So there it is. So
Bug guts
that's
off
that. So I'm gonna take it by this. We're gonna have to take this beauty ring. We're gonna have to take this ring off to mount this, or maybe not. Maybe not.
I think we can get it
I
out
think we
of
can
that.
get out that. Yep.
I'll go ahead and we'll hook this up. 'Cause this should be the one.
Yep. So
And,
one or two
They're labeled
outlets.
on this too. Oh no.
Last 5 weeks have been quite rough.
It does not want to fit.
There, it seemed like I heard it click.
Okay, it clicked.
There we go.
Alright.
Alright, you wouldn't hold your mouth right.
Must have been what it was. It's the same thing. Well, it's a simple job, and it's taking a while, ain't
Oh,
it?
I see that.
Yeah.
The little prong in there has been over just a little bit.
I think it's good. It looks like it's...
Let's cricket. One side ain't clicked in. Today's video is sponsored by Mike's non-gloved hands.
Alright, now it's in there.
If you'd had your gloves on.
Now we'll go ahead and set this ring in. And you use the original screws.
What's that side of the wire?
Yeah, I heard. Oh, the little one. Yeah.
This little ring.
Man, it's unreal how the inside of these gets so dirty. Now this is the fun part. There's like one certain way that goes on. Actually, that was pretty easy.
You know? There we are.
Alright. I'm not for sure if it's as bright as just the LED bulbs themselves. Won't really know till nighttime. So what I'll do is after a few weeks of riding with it, I'll leave a message down in the comment section, kind of let everybody know if it's worth $75 or not. Sure does look good.
It looks good. It looks better. Well,
I always like the look of the stock housing. But
yeah, you see that.
Stock,
Yeah, I think you see that, Mike. You sit down. That I like the looks of that.
It kind of goes more with the style
Mm-hmm.
of the special look.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's blacked out.
So that's it, boys and girls. Hope this tickled your fancy somehow. Might have helped you out some way or another. Y'all have a blessed day, and be sure to be good to one another. Till next time.